been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Alright, we got a singer in the house. Alright, so we're getting ready for the pool vibe. Say daytime flex.
Thank God.
Yes.
So not beach.
I was just saying why we should have had one of the balls if we had.
I have a ball.
So when the ball
We're gonna go it after.
yeah, we can go play it. Yeah. So yeah, this is the set for the beach. Lady in red is what? Yeah, beach. Maybe in the pool. This is the vibes, guys. Woo. And I guess that's Mr. Williams' fit. That's Mr. Williams' fit. Right, Snuckums? Oh, my snuggle bush. Oh. My baby right here. Oh, you broke my back. Me I broke your back? What me I do for broke your back, sir? Eh? So we are ready. We're right now the other couple. They're getting themselves together. But let me tell you, this weekend it's just been nice, chill, smooth. The vibe has been up. Yo, it's nice. Everybody, and it's so funny. Not one of us, like, you know when you get together with some people and you just get the vibes, you don't click. Yeah. Everybody just click, and it's just
I hate putting on group stuff because I'm like, yo, I just hope everyone.
Yeah, there's always some dramatic, somebody want to fight or something. Yeah, but
then I always trust them, like, if they like me, hopefully they'll all like each other. There must be some common like grounds or something.
Oh
so
gosh, that's too funny. But yeah, the vibes have been nice. Oh yeah, we should karaoke. Oh, this will be funny. Yeah, so we got a nice little itinerary planned for later too. We have our nice all white dinner. Yes, all vibes. So yeah, we gotta turn up the thing tonight. Yeah, so we're gonna go to the pool and go enjoy ourselves because it rained a little bit, so it was a little bit gloomy. But now the sun is out, and me gonna go catch us some rays.
Yes, that's time we go back again.
Hello, me have too much. Me don't need no more. Me and Mario burn up.
Yo, when I went to the grill, backside the bun up.
Yeah, me and Mario burn up. You see, Mario about 50 different shades of I don't even know what. Brown, black. Oh gosh. So yeah, what do you guys think? You like the fit? And this is a 3-piece. So you have the swim bottom and yeah. So.
People, now tell me like you come out in the swimwear department, girl.
Come out strong. Yesterday was all white.
Hello, you should
and I got
have
a few more
my
up there.
one.
I got a few more up there too. Because I was undecided, so I'm gonna say let me bring a couple.
No, sir. No.
That's why the kids are like, Mom, why you look like you guys are packing like you're going away for like a long time?
Sean look here, man, go away.
Yeah, of course, you can never be too sure. Why if you say, okay, no, if we had a theme, at least we have maybe different color. Eh? Restricted for drone.
Were you in the pool? Oh my gosh.
Nah. Why are you asking if it's restricted to drown? And you can't swim. For all drone?
Drone.
No.
Drone.
Yeah.
You're gonna use it?
You're gonna put it up? Yeah, you should.
Yeah,
Go get it.
Yeah, get some overall shots here, send me some.
Yeah. Bring it. I'll lift it up,
You
yeah.
can put it at a level and see, but I don't think so.
No, it's not restricted. I don't think so. You could try. Because the only way it will be restricted is if the planes. So, but you can try.
Well, there's planes still.
Yeah, but you could try. If it will let them know. If it doesn't something, they won't make it go up because it connects.
Yo, that's what I need to get next.
A drone? Yeah, let me tell you, so the footage.
I'm looking at the
Beautiful. Just came back from a swim, and oh, look what we picked. Look what we picked. Pomegranate. And we picked mango, as you guys see. Now the chef is in the kitchen. I'm about to start chefing up. So we're getting ready for our dinner date. So everybody has to go all white dinner date. So everybody will go shower up and get herself together and come back down. So time to go shower, guys, and get sorted out. I gotta blow dry my hair and all, everything in one. So let's go. Ooh, Lord, Mr. Williams. No, man, you gotta turn off the AC in here. It is cold. What time is it? Alright, almost 5. It's almost 5.
You turn off the AC?
Turn off? No, I didn't turn it off.
So why you not turn it off? You should turn off before I left out here.
So when you not turn it off?
What you do?
So we're about to go showered now.
Why
And
you
then
turn off
get
the
ready.
AC before you leave out?
What do you mean?
You say the place cold.
Oh, you're complaining about cold? Look who's complaining about cold, guys.
I know I'm freeze off my skibbies.
Your skibbies, if you're your skibbies, let me go. Let's go shower. So we're gonna go shower, and I gotta go get the blow dryer and get ready for dinner. It's a good thing our stuff is all nice and ironed already, because your girl pre-set up everything. So we're gonna go get ourselves together, guys. We will be back soon.
They all not our fears we see. No one will left now. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past how we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days I know it's every day. You